The House of Representatives seeks to strengthen the Independent Commission for Infrastructure through proposed measures. Here's the report.
The House of Representatives is looking to pass this November the proposed law seeking to strengthen the Independent Commission for Infrastructure. Two measures are currently pending in the chamber: House Bill 4453 filed by the group of Representative Laila de Lima and House Bill 5699 by Representative Toby Chanco. The bills aim to give the Commission more powers, including contempt and subpoena powers, the authority to issue whole departure orders, to sequester or confiscate properties, and to directly file complaints against those involved in corruption and anomalies. Yesterday, the House Committee on Government Reorganization began its briefing on the measures. According to its chair, Bulacan 6th District Representative Salvador Pleito, House Speaker Boji D himself directed them to fast-track its approval. If necessary, they plan to ask the President to certify the measure as urgent.
Pag natapos po dito, schedule, may timeline kamo dito, 17, gusto ni Speaker madala na po sa Senado. Siya nagbigay ng instruction sa akin na i-apura namin ito. Kaya nga nandito kami kahit na bakasyon. Nag-meeting na kami para sigurado sa 11, pagpasok natin sa 10. Sa 13, kailan matapos na sa committee para madala na namin sa plenary.
Pleito added that the measure should be enacted into law, not merely through an executive order that can be changed by any sitting president.
Imagine wala silang pondo, galing lang sa contingent fund ng ating Pangulo. Kailangan magkakaroon sila ng sarili lang pondo para sa machineries nila, para sa staff nila, yung secretariat, para sa mga sweldo ng yung mga iba pang pangangailangan. Maraming kailangan kasi panggastos dyan sa isang commission.
Among those who attended yesterday's briefing were some of the bill authors, including Kamanggagawa Party List Representative Eli San Fernando, who underscored the importance of granting more powers to the ICI.
Ang end goal nito ay bigyan ng mas malawig na kapangyarihan yung Independent Commission for Infrastructure. Kasi nga, in its current form, yung itsura ng ICI talagang inutil eh. Walang kapangyarihan yung ICI. So, ang goal dito ng mga lawmakers ay mabigyan ng kapangyarihan.